Hey everybody, welcome to our patent maintenance page. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And this is not such an exciting part of the patent journey, but something you can easily forget about. After you work hard, do a prior art search, file an application, go through the examination process, and finally get the notice of allowance and have your patent granted, you're not done. The race is not over. You have to maintain, meaning you have to pay money to the USPTO to keep your patent rights enforceable after grant. So let us help you maintain that. Sign up for a Bold maintenance package. Otherwise, you're on your own. And we wish you the best, but we do end up having to have the tough conversations with a lot of inventors that have let their patent rights lapse. And now they're having to beg the USPTO to please revive their patent rights. And it's not always guaranteed. So don't make that mistake. Make sure you maintain your patent and read this article here. Check it out below on how to take advantage of this time to know whether it's the right time to invest, to keep investing in your patent, or move on to the next one. All right, everybody. I'm JD Houvener wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.